Is your CapCut project taking too long to open on your iPhone? This usually happens due to large project files, low device memory, or temporary app glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up CapCut project loading speed on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have a strong internet connection. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Force quit recent apps. Swipe up from the bottom on your iPhone home screen. Now find the CapCut recent uses task. Then swipe CapCut away to close it completely. Now restart your iPhone and reopen the app and try exporting again. Solution 2. Free up the iPhone storage. First open up the settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next tap iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough free space, at least a few gigabytes. To do that, remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Now go to the CapCut app and open any project and see whether it's working properly or not. Solution 3. Clear app cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next tap Clear Cache below, then tap Confirm, and it's been cleared. Solution 4. Offload the CapCut app. First open up the settings, then tap on General. Next tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next tap on the app and then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.